Want to make your own custom emojis on iOS 18.2? Genmojis are here. I'll show you how in just a few easy steps. Alright, let's dive in. First, you need to prepare your iPhone for custom emoji creation. Head over to Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri, then tap Get Apple Intelligence. Next, open up Messages and enter any chat. Tap the emoji keyboard icon in the bottom left corner. Simple, right? Now here comes the fun part. Use the search bar to describe the emoji you want to create. Type something like an angry boy eating a cell phone. Be creative. Then tap Create New Emoji. Your iPhone will generate multiple emoji options. Scroll through and choose your favorite. Once you've picked one, tap Add. Voila! Your custom emoji is ready to use. And that's it. Your new emoji can be used as a sticker, a tapback, or even a regular emoji. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more iOS tips, and share your custom emoji ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching.